everyone, and welcome to today's Celebration Assembly. As always, Jinxie and I are really excited to be doing this assembly today. We really were pleased that we had all of you with us on yesterday for the World Book Day, and we hope that you enjoyed Jinxie's special little story that he had for you, and you're enjoying your new books. I think now, though, it's time, Jinxie, for us to give the awards for this week. Right? You go down there. Great. Okay, everyone. The first we have the Going for Gold Awards. In Leeds class, we have Joshua for making such progress in building relationships with adults, and Igor for fantastic robot talking in phonics. In York 1 class, we have Cassidy for working so hard on her Aboriginal style painting of a turtle. And we have Willow M for great contributions during the lessons about Australia. In York 2, we have all of York 2 class for sitting quietly and listening to Michaela as she told them about her animals. They held the animals and stroked them very carefully. In Hull class, we have Jake for great work in maths when using a number line. And we have Vanessa for trying really hard to make sure her letters are the correct size. In Liverpool class, we have Alicia for her outstanding effort during the story writing lessons, and Zara for passing some very difficult tests this week. Well done. In Cardiff class, we have Julia for her careful concentration in art, and Leland for an excellent effort in PE when practicing hockey skills. In Edinburgh class, we have all the children who came on the trip to Leeds. The children were so sensible and well behaved whilst walking around Leeds and comparing the city to where we live. They all enjoyed making and eating their pizzas and showed excellent manners at Pizza Express. And to all the children who completed the DT Pizza Box project with Mrs. Pell. Mrs. Pell said these children were a pleasure. They worked so hard to design, make, and evaluate their own pizza boxes and got on really sensibly with their task. In Cambridge class, we have Kristen for her excellent piece of artwork. She showed concentration and positivity when painting. And Holly for being resilient when building her shelter in DT. In London class, we have Addison for taking care and paying attention to detail with his artwork. And Ao for her knowledge of Shackleton and his endurance expedition. In Oxford class, we have Tommy for persevering to produce a fantastic piece of Cubist artwork. And Tilly Rose for producing a wonderful Cubist interpretation of an iceberg. In Bakewell class, we have Oliver for settling into new structures and routines. Well done, everyone. Give them a big clap. Excellent. We're really proud of you. Now, we have the Year of Knowing Me Awards. In Leeds class, we have Harriet for always being kind and caring, and Amelia for growing in confidence when speaking English. In York 1, we have all of York 1 for great speaking and listening in the animal experience with Michaela. In York 2, we have Amelia for being so caring towards other children, and Rory for bringing in lots of things about Australia from home. In Hull class, we have Ellen for having a positive attitude towards her work, and Angeline for having a positive attitude towards her work as well. In Liverpool class, we have Harvey for his positive attitude and enthusiasm in class, and Zach for coping so well with changes. In Cardiff class, we have Daisy NJ for her super effort in art. She worked very hard on her fine line drawing. And Harrison for his contribution in English when we have been writing the holiday brochure. In Edinburgh class, we have Tommy for being more focused in his learning and enjoying his work, and Tino for settling well into Newlands this week and working hard. In Cambridge class, we have Isabel for working hard this week in maths, keep it up, and Rosie for her super efforts around learning spellings each week. In London class, we have Scarlett for having a positive attitude towards her homework and Joshua for his positive attitude towards his learning. In Oxford class, we have Harvey for being able to manage his emotions in a mature manner, and Mason for working independently for more of the time. And in Bakewell class, we have Ethan, or for recognizing how he is feeling. Well done to all of our children. Give them a big clap. Excellent. We've had a great week, a fantastic day yesterday with World Book Day. Lots more coming up in the coming weeks, so make sure you are paying attention and working hard. One reminder, next week on Friday is non-uniform day. And the theme, yes, Jinxie, all exciting, the theme is to wear rainbow colors, spring colors. Yes, spring colors. We will find it. And what you bring is an Easter gift. Jinxie is an Easter gift, prize, chocolate, something to bring for the Easter raffle that we're going to have. And we're all excited about that. So some sort of Easter prize is what you bring for non-uniform day to wear spring colors. It's time to celebrate spring. Have a good weekend, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.